Hi, today's teardown this vintage aircraft instrument. So it is an indicator for showing north and east directions, it seems. So it must be for some kind of a navigation device. In fact, I have no real clue of what it does. So we have two bulbs here for backlight. We have an on-off button here on the top and the two settings button. So in fact I had two of these instruments in a bad condition, and if I remember correctly I did make one with both of them in quite decent condition. One missing thing was the set screw, so I had to use other kind of screws here. So it is made by, it is called grill indicator, yes, made by Crouzet company. It is a French company in 1960. And it looks like the serial number on this one is 11. Yes, made in Valence. It is a city in the east and southern East France. So we will have a look at what we have inside. On the back, first, two very old school plugs. One, it seems, for 24 volt supply, and one for feeding some kind of input or output signal. I have no clue. So let's, we have a quite serious dent in the case here, but if I remember correctly, it is not a matter for opening the case. I hope at least it will not be a matter. Because, yes, in fact I do not remember. Oh, it opens, so I guess we will find out right now. We have two bolts with self-locking bolts. This one needs some help. Yes. Okay, so yes, it is pulling out, but it looks like it does not want to come further. And in fact I do not remember at all what I am supposed to do. Maybe I need to remove these connectors here. Yes, it looks like at least the threads for the screws are attached to the connector. I am not losing bolts inside the device, so it may be the reason why the front does not want to come off. Up, we will see. We are exactly 4 screws away even of the truth. No. So it means we are stuck, but we are not stuck with this dent here, at least. It is a good news, because I did already pass. Okay, here we are. Not easy. So I will try to correct a little bit this dent. before I reassemble the thing. Never easy because you have to hammer it and you have no access. But maybe here I can use the all of the connector to do it. So what do we have in it? So it was obviously a good idea to unscrew the plugs. We have two things, probably some kind of encoders or yes, it seems it is made to set. You set what you want on the dials. So yes, by the way, I'm missing a set screw here and this thing is turning loose. Good to know. Not a big deal, but this rubber seal is in very poor condition. Here we have a main switch for the thing. And in fact just mechanical stuff. Encoding, moving the whatever you set into this. And look at this, guys, there is something nice in here. Some kind of planetary gear. No, not sure what it does exactly. There is another one in here. Here you can see the digits. Very common counter drums, like in tape drives, mostly. By the way, these buttons are very hard to turn. Not easy at all. So, and we have these two assemblies here. Looks like we have a magnetic core inside, here, stamped in the side. But there is no marking whatsoever on these things. And how many wires do we have? We have 4 wires going in them. So it is interesting. Probably some kind of very basic encoder device. And look here, it is fun. These gears are rubbing against this wire. It is not really good, I guess. Okay, here you have a connection to the two counters. And you can see the construction. We have 3 plates, aluminum plates with standoffs between them. Very old school, no any electronic component in this, just the 2 motors. Some kind of terminal board here, but it is not, there is no components. So the 2 things here, the button, terminal board, and it is all. And also, of course, the 2 bulbs in the front for the backlight. Apart from that, it is all what we have. So at least we have some nice mechanics inside this. And it is looking quite good, in fact. Okay, now I will try to hammer this dent and I will put this back together. Thanks for watching, bye bye.